Good afternoon, students. In this session, we are going to learn reasoning MCQs, which will be helpful for upcoming exam students. In this session, we mostly cover analogy type questions, students. Fully exam oriented questions, students, most important. Let's start. First question. Find the related number. Here 19 is related to 380. In the same way, 37 is related to which number? And the options are 1369, 1500, 1394, 1406. So if you go here, 19 is related to 380. Students, if you see here, 19 to 38, is it or not? If you multiply with 20, how much we are getting? 19 20s, we are getting 380. Let me see for next one also. 37 into 20. How much you have to get? You have to get 37 to 74. So we have to get 740. Is it or not? So if you see the options 740, there is no option of 740. Is it or not? So our assumption is wrong. So let me go for another assumption. Here 19 is related to 380. You see here, students, if you take 19 square, it is how much? 361. How much more we need to get 380? If you add 19 for 361, how much we'll get? We'll get 380. So our assumption is that 19 square plus 19 is equal to 380. Is it or not? So we apply for the second one also. 37 square plus 37 is how much? You have to see here. We know 37 square is 1369. Is it or not? If you add 37 for this, how much you have to get? We'll see here. 1316, how much? 9 3s, 9 7s, 16 plus 1. If we go here, we'll get 0, 1406. Is it or not? So we see here in the options there is 1406 or not? Yes, option D is 1406. It's correct. Question number 2. If 4 star 2 or 4 into 2 is 3 and 8 star 4 is related to 3, then 21 star 7 is related to which number? It can be star or into, we call anything. It's your wish. And the options are 4, 16, 8, 3. Here 4 star 2 is related to 3. Is it or not? 4 star 3 is related to 3. Students, see here. If you do 4 minus 2 plus 1, we are getting 3 or not? 4 minus 2 is 2, and if you add 1, we are getting 3. In the same way, we'll see for here. 8 star 4 is related to 3 or not? 8 minus 4 and plus 1, we are getting 5. So our assumption is wrong. Is it or not? So we'll see for other assumption. 4 star 2, with the help of this we have to get 3. See, students, here what we can do, if you divide 4 by 2 plus 1, we are getting 3. Is it or not? In this same way, we see here 8 divided by 4 plus 1, we are getting 3. Why? Because 4 2s, 2 plus 1, 3. Here 2 2s, 2 plus 1, 3. Then we apply for this 21 star 27. We see how much it will get. 21 star 7, we have to get a number. You see here. 21 divided by 7 and we have to add plus 1. 7 1, 7 3s. 3 plus 1. Here it is 4. Yes, in the options there is 4. It's correct. Is it or not? So here students, see here what I am saying. 4 star 2 is related to 3. If you divide 4 with 2 and add 1, we are getting 3. For second relation also we are checking here. 8 divided by 4 and adding 1, we are getting 3. So yeah, our assumption is correct and we can apply for 21 star 7 also. See here, 21 star 7. 21 divided by 7 plus 1, we are getting 4. So we see here our options. It is there 4. So answer is correct. Question number 3. Find the related number. 248 is related to 3. In the same way, 328 is related to which number? And the options are 7, 4, 5, 6. Students, see here, with the help of 248, we need to get 3. Is it or not? With the help of 248, we have to get 3. Is it or not? Students, see here. (24) and 8, there is any relation? Yes. 8 into 3, we are getting 24 or not? With the help of 8, we are getting 24. How much? 8 3s, we are getting 24. Is it or not? In the same way, if we apply for this also, 32. Which number? For 8, 32 and 8, we see here. 8 4s 32. Is it or not? You are getting what I am saying? Here 8 3s 24. In the same way, we have to get 8 4s 32. Is it or not? So, and the answer is 4. Simple, easy question. Question number 4. Find the missing number. If you see here, first row, 37, 23, 20, 46, 50, 32, 12, question mark 31. The options are 81, 64, 13, 19. Students, we take the first row, we see check. 37, 23 and 20. We take row and we check. Is it or not? First we will see here. If we minus 37 minus 23, we will get how much? We get 14, but we have to get 20. It's not correct. In the same way, we will check for, we will see, if we add now. 37 plus 23 is how much? 37 plus 23 is how much? It is 60. But we need to get 20. Suppose we divide this with 60 divided by 3, we get 20. Is it or not? Let me see for next also. 46 plus 50 and 32. If you add 46 plus 50, how much you will get? 96. Is it or not? If we add 46 plus 50, we get 96. In the first row, we have divided with 3. Is it or not? In the same way, here also we have to divide with 3. 3 3s and 3 2s. Yes, we are getting 32. Is it or not? In the same way, we will check for this also. 12 question mark and 31. What we have done? 12 plus x. Is it or not? And we have divided with this with 3. And we have to get 31. Is it or not? What we have done here? First two numbers we have added. 37 plus 23 we have added and we got 60 and we divided with 3. The second row also we have added 46 plus 50 and we divided the answer 96 divided by 3. In the same way, we add this 12 plus, we take this question mark as x. 12 plus x and the total value should be divided by 3. Why? Because we have divided with 3 here and 3 here. So 12 plus x divided by 3 should be equal to 31. Is it or not? See here, we cross multiply. 12 plus x is equal to 31 threes. It is 93. 93 minus 12 will get how much? 81. The option A is correct. Question number 5. Find the missing number. 9, 8, 162, 11, 6, 174, 8, 13, question mark. Options are 207, 254, 2226, 366. Students, if we see here, with the help of 9 and 8, we need to get 162. Is it or not? With the help of 9 and 8, we need to get 162. Let me try how to get 19 with the help of 9 and 8. We need to get 162. Students, if we see here, 9 into 8 is 72 only. If we double 72, we get 144. Is it or not? But we are not getting 162. There should be a meaningful. Let me check here. 9 square plus 8 square, we'll try. How much we'll see. Here 9 square is 81 and 8 square is 64. If we add both these, how much we'll get? 145. But we need to get 162. But how much we need more to add? If we add 17, we get 162. Is it or not? So this 17 can be written as how? See students, with the help of numbers, 9 plus 8 is 17. Is it or not? 9 plus 8 is 17. So just you write this 17 as 9 plus 8. So our assumption is, we will see here now. Clearly we will write here. 9 square plus 8 square plus 9 plus 8, we are getting 162. It is a meaningful assumption. Is it or not? 9 square is 81 and 8 square is 64. If we add this, we will get 145. We need more 17. Just we have written this 17 as 9 plus 8. It is a meaningful assumption. Why? Because in the first row we have 9, 8 and 162. 9 square plus 8 square plus 9 plus 8. We are getting 162. Let me apply for second also. We will see. 11 square plus 6 square plus 11 plus 6. We need to get 174. Let me see here. 11 square is 121. 6 square is 36. 11 plus 6, it is 17. Is it not? If you add this one, 6 plus 1, 7. 157. 157 plus 17 is how much? Yes, we are getting 174. It's correct. Our assumption is correct. Let's apply for this for 8 square plus 13 square plus 8 plus 13. See here how much we'll get. 8 square is 64 and 169. 8 plus 13 is 21. If we add this 169 plus 21, we are getting 190. Just to add 64. How much we'll get? 254. So our answer option B is correct. Thank you students. Please subscribe and like it and share it. Thank you.